And Olunga just sneaks ahead.
Haya, tuweze kusikiza usemi wake kocha Benni McCarthy, mechi yake ya kwanza akiweza kuchukua hatamu nyumbani na mechi yake ya pili kwa jumla baada ya ile ya Gambia. Anazungumziaje mechi hiyo? Wachezaji wake waliweza kufanya vipi? Msikize.
As a coach, you can never be proud enough of your team when they put up a performance like that against an experienced Gabonese team. I thought, you know, we started really well. We took the game to them. We pressed them high and in the right areas. And then when you create the chances that we did and you don't score the goals, you're always going to suffer the consequences, because as well as we were playing up until that moment, you allow yourself vulnerable at the back, and with the experienced players that they have in Aubameyang, and that he doesn't need a lot of chances. That's why he's played at the big teams over the years. So yeah, and then they get one chance, we make one mistake, they get one chance, and then they score, and then automatically you go on the back foot. So now you're starting to make a little bit more mistakes because you're trying to press the game to get the equalizer. I'm super proud of my players, very proud for the fight, for the spirit. They showed what Kenyans is about. You know, even when you're down, when things doesn't go your way, you never give up and you keep trying, and they keep pushing. The referee didn't favor us today. Nothing went our way, so they had 12 players, 12 men. They were decent, but they had a lot of support from the officials because everything went against us. And when it is like that, it's difficult for a team to win or to come back or to try anything in the game when it is so complicated, when the referees are not justifying the game.
Lakini pakubwa McCarthy pia aliweza kusisitiza akizungumzia swala la baadhi ya vilabu kudai kwamba viliweza kumnyima baadhi ya wachezaji na kuweza kumshawishi kwamba angetumia wachezaji ambao walitaka wakuwe katika timu ya taifa. Na akisema kwamba siwezi tumia wachezaji ambao pakubwa sijawatizama wakicheza mechi zao ama wakipiga mazoezi. Msikize McCarthy.
I asked the clubs to allow me to have some of the best players that's playing in the Kenyan league for me to have a look, because it's only fair if and the players that was put in front of me was the players that I thought that had potential, that can become good players in future, but we both start already building for Chan. Goromaya never allowed their players, which they asked permission to keep their players, so we did that. And it was Tusker FC. They've also asked not to release their players, so that was all good and well, but I'm not going to select players I don't know anything about, and that is the reason why you see there's no players from Goromaya in the team or that, because yeah, I didn't have an opportunity to see them, and based on someone else's valuation, coach, this is a good player. Man, I didn't have the career that I have for me to listen to another coach or anybody else telling me that this player and that player is the best or in our league. If I don't see you, you don't get selected. Simple as.
Kocha Benni McCarthy pale. Haya, tuachane na hasa soka, tuangazie kasi ya mbio za magari. Ni kwamba